Welcome to this quick guide on how to disable sending polls in a Telegram group on PC with the latest update. If you've ever wondered how to keep polls out of your group chats, this step-by-step walkthrough will show you exactly what to do. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're signed in and ready to navigate. Locate and open the group where you want to adjust the poll settings. At the top of the group chat, you'll see a header with details about the group. Look for the three horizontal lines, often referred to as the menu icon, and click on them to reveal more options. This opens a compact menu where you can access essential group controls without scrolling through the chat. From the menu, select Manage Group. This is where the administrative tools live, giving you access to important settings that control how the group operates. You'll find a list of management options designed to help you tailor permissions for all members. Next, choose permissions. This section specifically governs what members are allowed to do within the group. It's the central hub for deciding how active your group can be in various ways, including media sharing and polls. Within permissions, you'll see a variety of toggle options. Locate the one labeled Polls or Polls Sending. It controls whether members can create and send polls in the group. Uncheck or switch off this option to disable the ability to send polls. This change prevents polls from being created or shared by members going forward. After turning off polls, be sure to save your settings. Look for a Save button or a similar confirmation option and click it to apply the changes. Saving ensures that the new permissions take effect immediately and that polls remain disabled for all current and future members unless you decide otherwise. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've effectively disabled polling in your Telegram group on PC. This can help keep discussions focused, streamline decision-making, and reduce poll-related clutter. If you need to re-enable polls later, just return to the same permission section and toggle the polls option back on, then save your changes. If you found this walkthrough helpful, consider keeping a note for future updates since app interfaces can shift with new releases.